Me cause that. Nobody call him on the name to me, brother, because I never did it for me. So don't call him name.
Youth, you know how privileged you grow. I know say your old man did left from your youth and go up on farm work. And him run off because he will want to get a better life. But he make a better life for you too. Your old man used to send money for you every month. Every month money reach for your youth. And what you do? You take it and do foolishness. And you take and jump into this like a scamming lifestyle. And that you did invest in you. I know you come talk about the man never did it for him. Couldn't get two places one time. Him go over this and make a better life. And him never neglect you. So don't go and like say you want to style the thing in you.
Your father did it for you and my father. He did it physically for you. He never did it physical for me. So you don't come tell me what to say about my father, because you don't left me. So don't come tell me that. Money is not all. Them money just all for themselves. I'm not rating.
You no get to talk not negative about my brother them. You sight. When you talk to him or you talk about him in my presence, you talk with respect. Because he do him could have do for you. You need to take accountability for what you do in a life that you do. Me know for a fact, since me talk to him, say $450,000. Come give you. What you do with it? Eh? Like I say, you couldn't get two places one time.
I just want to do something I'm comfortable with, something I'm good at. That's all I want. I cannot do this. I can't do it, uncle.
Chief, see man. Life not owe you nothing, youth. You see, if life plant you in the ground, grow like a tree. You have to understand this. I know what you like, and I know what you want more while. You know how your proof says a real man, when you get certain things when you're not used to, and you make something out of it. And that me I tell you. You see, lifestyle when me used to live, at 3 years it give me. What it do for you? It put you in a detention for a little while, but you're fortunate enough for somebody who rate me, get you out and come plant you, yes sir. The best way to find yourself you is this. Farm. Know how to go back to the earth. They keep you grounded. Remember me tell you that. The one thing with me, the things that me good at, I it lock me away. And I it you feel like you good at too. And I it lock you away too. So when I tell you say, start somewhere and then move to somewhere else where you're comfortable and where you like. But consider this say, I reform you, I get reformed.
You take your foolish advice and trust the process. But for now, take my time and say it.
Foolish advice? I'm a fool you call me.
Come on.
Hear me I say. Just do the right thing. See? Don't make it feel like work, man. Just get up and you look after some livestock and you grow some food out of the ground. See? Everything about it alright in my opinion. See? Go do some more. Cheers! What you do?
I spray the bees.
You ever spray the bees? Wait up! You ever see me spray bees up there?
Yes, if I do something on the farm, so I say I spray the bees.
But take it off. Take it off. Meet me around this. Take it off. There's a whole heap of work in a man. You say I ever spray the bees. Cheers. You really ever spray the bees?
I just don't know when I'm from that I spray, because they end up biting. And plus, I go for the honey, so I just go over there and kike it. I do something wrong?
You realize that never a bee suit for your wear.
The astronaut suit around the back?
You still think it's a fashion show, it's not true. It's not a fashion show, my lad. So, wear the suit if you don't want to get stained. And the next time, if you don't want the bees them rush you, I smoke, you smoke them.
No, man!
Not spray them. King man!
Go on.
I'll go on my general. Go on and get the suit, you.